Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for the Scrap Room, playing with the Freaky Fast formula. New challenge for October 2024 and enjoyfully playing with the new kits for this month. So if you guys haven't checked them out, make sure you see below all the links to the shop where you can get the Flavors of the Month kit and the Double Shot kit and all the add-ons. I highly recommend them all. I know it's not in everybody's budget, so the Flavors of the Month kit is perfect way to get some new stuff and just like a little bit of it. And a little bit goes a long way in these cases. These kits are amazing, full of papers and embellishments, and it's fantastic. But the brand new kits for this month, we are playing with the Doodlebug. What's it called? Doodlebug Designs. Is this Hey Pumpkin? Is this Doodlebug? Wait a tick. Yeah, it is. Yeah, Doodlebug Hey Pumpkin. So like I said, I am playing with the Freaky Fast formula. With every Flavors of the Month kit, remember you get papers, cardstock, and embellishments. Yeah, all good things. So the flavors, or the Freaky Fast formula this time, calls for 3 2x8, so that's what I'm trimming out right now. There's so many great patterns. I wanted to kind of showcase a little bit of them all. An 8x10 piece, 1 3.5-inch circle, and 2 2-inch circles. So I have this 2-inch scalloped circle punch, so I am punching out some of that pink, and then I wanted my bigger circle to be a solid color, not a pattern, because I've picked out all the other patterns for all the other papers, so there's just a lot of pattern going on. So I'm going to dig through my stash, and I just have one of those stacks, which is those stacks that they're like, they almost look like samples, but they're just squares. And I think it's a 4x4 stack, so I'm going to pick out a piece of cardstock that I really like from there. But right now I am trying to find a color that I want. I decided on this kind of pumpkin-y orange. It goes with some of the oranges and the other patterns. And I got it cut to about a 3.5-inch circle, and now I'm going to start gluing things down. And despite, I swear, I was putting things down straight, stuff gets on the crooked. But anyway, so I have 2 photos of my son with all of the daycare kids, and this is from like 2015, I want to say, on Halloween. And so I thought, with all the bright colors and the Halloween theme, this would be good to do these pictures of all of these kids dressed up, and then having their pumpkin jack-o'-lantern quesadillas for lunch that their daycare lady made. And she's awesome. She is a mom at the school of some kids, and her daughter's in my son's class, and so we get to reminisce often about when she did daycare. But I decided I wanted to mat my photos, and I wanted some more solid color, not necessarily just black or white. So I grabbed this glitter cardstock, another like stacks of cardstock I had, and this was like a green glitter, and I will pull out another glitter cardstock later as well, but I mat both the photos on the green, and I'm thinking about kind of staggering. This is where I realized the paper was slightly bigger than 12x12, and then also I had it on there straight, and I did not put it on there straight at all. These patterns, I'm going to kind of stagger them a little bit more, just so you can see those strips. And then in the end, I feel like you can't even tell that there are 3 different strips behind the photos. But I want to put the circles kind of in some sort of diagonal arrangement, kind of nestled within the photos and the strips. And so I really liked the way it nestled over on the right hand side. And then I could use the ephemera piece of the giant piece, like bag of trick or treat candy, as kind of the title, and I'm gonna stick that over here as well. There's a lot of elements I will end up popping up on foam, just to give the page some dimension and height and just variation. But all the bright colors and these super cute photos of all the kids really made, yeah, the page come alive. See, now my page it's like completely crooked. And I swear, like a few seconds ago, you could see that it was straight. So I don't know what happened. But here I am showing you the cardstock I put in the corners of the glitter. It's some more glitter cardstock, but this time it's silver. And then I brought in, these are the embellishment add-on, the pattern paper add-ons, and the first two things were the Shots of Life add-on. Here's the pattern paper add-ons, just so you can see what the add-ons are, because I highly recommend getting add-ons. But my recording, I lost it for finishing the page, but I just added the ghosts and some more ephemera pieces, added some of the stickers from the embellishment add-on, and the puffy enamel shapes from the Shots of Life kit, and finished the page up. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Bye.